In this episode, we will be featuring the Super Closet Deluxe 2.0. Now, this is actually the original grow box that started it all 10 years ago. Since that time, we've greatly expanded on our line, now having a size and shape grow box for everyone. But we've also continued to improve upon this already successful design. The name Deluxe means of luxury, and when you acquire this system, that's exactly what you're going to get. At 3 feet wide, 2 feet deep, and 6 feet tall, you've got an ideal growing space. All of our systems are designed with an emphasis on stealthiness, as evidenced by this super discreet design. This unit in particular looks like your average storage cabinet. Inside, we're hiding a whole lot more. Man, these ladies are going off. Perfect demonstration of how effective this system is. Now it's getting near nighttime for these girls. In fact, the light should be going off right about now. Let's talk about this system from the ground up. The Deluxe is a dual chamber full cycle system, meaning it can sustain plants at 2 different stages of growth at the same time. What we have here is our Veggie Chamber. It's powered by our Super Cloner 50-site hydroponic system. It utilizes deep water culture and features bubble ponics. It provides the perfect arena for germinating seeds, cloning, or even sustaining plants at a young vegetative stage. It's powered by 2 T5 bulbs. Those are soft fluorescent bulbs that feature a blue spectrum, which is the ideal spectrum for vegetative plants. This serves as the perfect feeding ground to your flowering chamber located up above. Now that little lady is a lonely clone, but she's about to have a whole lot more company because, as you can see, these mature women are ripe for the clipping. This is the larger flowering chamber in the Deluxe and arguably where all the magic happens. It's powered by our custom-built Superponic 16. This is a 20-gallon reservoir that has 16 larger net cups capable of taking a plant from flowering stage all the way through harvest. It's a superponic system, which means that it's powered by more than one proven hydroponic method. This, in particular, uses deep water culture, bubble ponics, and top feed, so you're able to get those plants from the bottom as well as the top. This provides faster growth, it makes happier plants, and it also provides added protection in the unfortunate event that one of these systems fails. The sides and back of the Deluxe are covered in this highly reflective white paneling. These are in place so that you can capture the secondary lumens from the bulb and make sure that the plants get to utilize those as well. We've chosen this particular material because it's quite easy to clean, and the magnetic paneling allows you to remove and reposition as needed. Here we have your net trellis. This may look simple, but it performs a very important function. This allows you to train, maneuver, and support your plants, allowing them to maximize the amount of space they have to growth and ultimately increasing your yields considerably, sometimes as much as 30%. Here we have the all-important internal circulation fan. In this system, this fan can be raised and lowered so that it's always the ideal height above your plant's canopy. Unfortunately, airflow is an element of indoor gardening that growers often neglect in their setups and can be perilous to the results. Super Closet systems boast more internal airflow and overall airflow than any other system available on the market. Here we have our glorious indoor sun in a tube. This 400-watt high-pressure sodium bulb is attached to a Lumitech digital dimmable ballast. High-pressure sodiums are a great all-around bulb, but also offer the spectrum most appropriate for flowering. This unit is air-cooled. You can see the ducting is attached to an intake and outtake fan on a closed loop, bringing cool air from the room, flowing it over the bulb, and then expelling it back out of the system. It's also on yo-yos, allowing you to raise and lower the bulb so it's always the ideal height above your plant's canopy. Now, we all love the sweet smell of our indoor garden, but we don't always want to reveal our hand and let our friends and family know what we have going on inside of our cabinet. Because of this, we've incorporated a carbon-activated odor sock. This odor sock is attached to an exhaust fan and pulls the odoriferous air from inside your cabinet and emits it as fresh air into the room, leaving no trace of what's going on inside. Safety and security are very important in an indoor gardening application. Super Closet systems have triple locking doors featuring a top, bottom, and central locking mechanism. So now you know the Super Closet Deluxe inside and out and from top to bottom. In addition to everything we've shown you here, you also get all of the other components you'll need to start growing right away. There's also a 3-year warranty and lifetime customer, technical, and grow support.